this is a visual video. This is a really cool design. And what I've basically done is I've done everything in black and white. And then I skipped one row all the way around and I did red. You can pick any color. You can do blue, you can do purple. You could even do skip 2 and do a row and skip 2 and do this row. So you have like a little band around it if you want. And then I did the border in red and then I did the trim in red. And I really like this design. I like making 2 and 3 tone colors. I just think it's something cool about it. And you can do any color. You can even do blue and orange for Auburn, or you can do purple and I think it's yellow for LSU, I think it is, or whatever that purple and yellow pretty colors are. So you can do any color, or you can do the black and white and then just do the trim of red and then the red around it. Or you can do blue or green or yellow, whatever your favorite color is. I just think it makes it pop out when you do like one little strand. So that is the visual video for this design. So I hope that you enjoy it. I hope it inspires you to create some really cool tissue boxes and come up with some unique ideas of your own. Please like, share, comment. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, or tips or suggestions, or just need to tell me something, leave it in the comment section below. I do read my comments. Also, if you would like to be a member, there is a membership button for members. Sorry about that. That's the doggies barking at the leaves falling from the tree, so I'm going to let you go. But thank you. Have a wonderful day. Have a blessed day, and I'll let y'all take a little sneak peek at them over there. See, you disturbed Mom's video. Snickers. Where'd you go? Oh, now y'all gonna hide? Oh, there you are. Yeah, you interrupted my visual video. How rude.